35 years ago, we built a company that we know will be more than just a workplace.
Employee happiness is the heart of everything that we do here in Toyota Balintawak and in the Oben Group. In our group, we have what we call the 3 P's of happiness: pleasure, passion, and purpose. And this is what we try to instill to our people. We try to ensure that they find pleasure or fun in everything that they do.
Happy ako sa Toyota Balintawak. Isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit masaya akong nagtatrabaho dito sa Toyota Balintawak ay dahil sa masayang activities na dito ko lang nararanasan. At of course, ang positive work environment.
They have the passion and the work that they do.
Nagsimula po ako sa Toyota Balintawak bilang janitorial staff. Tapos after 2 years, nagkaroon ng opportunity to apply bilang in-house car washer.
Dito po sa Toyota Balintawak, nagustuhan ko po yung pagtanggap nila sa empleyado sa kabila ng kaibahan at kakulangan mo.
Kasi na-secured po ako na may trabaho na ako panghabang buhay hanggang sa kaya ko magtrabaho.
Masayang-masaya po ako dito sa Toyota Balintawak.
Noong 2014 to 2017 po kasi, nag-aaral ako ng marine transportation, kaso nag-stop ako dahil sa financial na problema. Nakita ako ng poster na galing sa Toyota Motor Philippines School of Technology na meron pong scholarship na in-offer ang Toyota Balintawak. Nagkaroon ako ng chance na mapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Malaking tulong to para matulungan ko yung mother ko financially at magkaroon na rin ng stable na trabaho. Nahanap ko yung passion ko dito sa Toyota Balintawak.
And most importantly, we make sure that they find a purpose, the whys. Why are they doing the work that they do here in Toyota Balintawak?
Dito ko po napatapos yung anak ko sa pag-aaral. Sa 35 years dito sa Toyota, mas lalo kong iniigihan yung trabaho ko para mapapanatili pong bumalik sa amin yung customer. Na ang pagbalik niya hindi yung back job kundi yung maganda pong trabaho ng serbisyo namin. Nahanap ko na po yung purpose ko rito.
I began my journey with Toyota Balintawak in 1990 as a telephone operator. Over the years, my career grew, and now I have the privilege to serve as the VP GM of Toyota Marilao. I owe it all to Toyota Balintawak. The trust, the opportunities, and the culture that continue to shape and inspire me. For that, I am truly grateful and proud to be part of this family.
At Toyota Balintawak, we care about our team members' happiness by looking after their physical health and mental well-being. We engage our employees in CSR activities that serve the underprivileged and help the environment, which in return give them a meaningful purpose in life.
If our team members are happy, then it manifests to our customers. And of course, if our customers are happy, we will have loyal customers, we'll keep coming back, we'll have sustained business. And if we have sustained business, we'll be able to help the community around us.
Sa Toyota Balintawak, hindi lang satisfaction sa sasakyan yung na-experience ko, kundi sa mga taong na naging kapamilya at kaibigan ko na rin. Kahit malayo ako sa Toyota Balintawak, dito pa rin ako bumabalik kasi balance, trustworthy, at responsive sila. The warmth and care and quality service keep me coming back. Because of the happiness Toyota Balintawak brought me, I now share it with others. Hindi ako napahiya sa kanila. Kung ano ang na-experience ko, yun din ang na-experience nila.
My definition of happiness is making everybody happy.
For me, happiness is helping more people. And of course, when I'm able to help more people, then I'm able to make more people happy as well.
Happiness is seeing employees grow their careers from Toyota Balintawak to become successful members of the Oben Group top management.
Happiness for me is when I see our team members here in Toyota Marilao serving our customers with a smile.
Happiness is yung komportable ka sa pagtatrabaho mo araw-araw. Excited kang pumasok.
Para sa akin, ang happiness, yun yung napatapos ko yung anak ko sa pag-aaral.
Ang happiness para sa akin ay hindi lang para sa sarili, kundi makita mo rin yung mga nasa paligid mo na masaya rin. Hindi lang ito.
Happiness for me is not just about cars. Happiness for me is yung mga taong nakilala ko pagpasok ko pa lang dito sa Toyota Balintawak.